And my son missed out on so much, and he loves his brother, but there started to be a jealousy with, well, Sean gets all the attention. Well, Sean gets the attention because I need how to regulate him. I need to be able to give him what his body's craving. But that meant I was missing out on all the opportunity to experience life with my older son. So the Family Activity Center here is that ability for families to come together, meet other families, learn what they're going through, and be able to experiencing life with their children and have their children be able to be kids. They climb the walls, spin, or lick the walls. My son already does that. So they get to just join in the fun here and just be this really open community center where everybody is welcome and it's an inclusive environment. I always used to think Sean was giving me a hard time and that he was purposefully doing this to, upset me or to, stretch my patience. But it really took a lot of realization to understand that Sean's not giving me a hard time. He's having a hard time in life, and I'm experiencing his life right along with him. So this building is going to be open to every family, as well as their caregivers and the siblings. So everybody in their immediate family are going to be able to come here and play together, so parents learn how to be proactive versus reactive when working with their children. And the siblings are going to be able to learn how to play with their siblings, but also be able to experience movie nights and bingo nights and game nights and the fun of being a kid